Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Moto G45 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Then let's tap on reset options. And here we've got two different options which are connected with the network. So we can reset mobile network settings and separately Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. And the operation looks similar. So just tap on the specific option, for example, mobile network settings, and tap on reset settings. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it, because you will no longer receive, you will not be able to undo this action. So just tap on reset settings, and as you can see, we've got this information, so we just done it correctly. Let's go back, and the same with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Just tap on it and tap on reset. And again, we've got this information, which means that we just successfully reset the network preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.